Okay, so before I do anything, let's directly live log into my broker account just to show you something. So here is my trading account without any cuts or any edits. Let me first do a quick refresh from here. And as you see, it's full life. The rate of return from 2022 till today is basically 1122%, which is very crazy. It's a live account, as you see, no edits, nothing from like that. So basically on this account, it was flat. I wasn't trading till 2025, which is actually here, January. I wasn't actually trading. It was just like we are flat, like 163%. But from this point till today, which is basically the last year, is basically where all the action happened, where I took this account serious and I started trading on it, like managing my risk. And let's go through it now. Okay, crazy profits, I know. Just before I show you exactly how I did this, and I will tell you real advices, not BS. Not like these videos of YouTube, which they are just saying anything, not exactly entering to the point. You just need to know something. Before achieving this kind of returns, everyone around me doubted me, and everyone will do the same to you. No one will believe that you can actually achieve 1000%, 1500, 2000. No one will believe that. And everyone will tell you, okay, maximum 10% per year if you know what you do and stuff like that, which is crazy because it's doable. And I have done it many times. We have a lot of information nowadays, and it's very easy to learn trading. It's very easy to know this stuff. And just because people can't comprehend or can't think that it's actually doable, doesn't mean it's not. Let's get to the interesting part of the video, where I will explain step by step how I achieved these returns. And don't worry, it's not gonna be a video of me saying complete BS. I will just focus on the things that matter. So here's few things that I did. First, focus on A+ setups only. From the 1000% that you have seen, the majority of it, like 90% of it, just came from A+ setups only. I waited till I achieved the best possible setup that I like. I stopped acting like I need the market or to be involved in the market every day. So if you are watching an average setup, skip. If you need to convince yourself to enter, skip. If you are bored and waiting for trades, skip. I was only caring about sniping the best entries, which has actually made me more money, not less. Okay, so let's go to a real example here where I will show you that patience pays off. Let's say you are trading the supply and demand strategy, which is a very big and beautiful strategy, very simple. And you are marking your zones where you think that the price can reach, and it's very important. So I'm marking zone A, and then I'm marking zone B around here, which is two zones I think that the price can reach and then retrace from or do a reaction. Of course, we have here the A+ setup, which is the one right here, and then the B or C tier, which is only this. Why? Because there is more volume here. If I follow up with the option flow and the trading volume profile, I will see more volume around here. I'm more convicted to take a trade around here, but this also works, the one on the up here. So if we go out through the days, we will see that the price reached the first area, then actually act from, okay, a little bit of a retrace, and then is reaching the second area here, which is beautiful, and then reacting from. Here is a beautiful trade that I would have taken for sure, long here, and targeting the next zone, which can be here. Okay, beautiful trade. This is just a direct example of the A+ vis a B+ vis C+ tiers. You need to know where exactly you're gonna enter, where exactly you're gonna get out. You need to filter your trades. A filter is very, very important. It's gonna boost your returns and make you enter when actually matters. In the last example, we'd see also the risk to reward ratio. When on the first trade, there was a very big risk, what I call a tail risk. But on the second one, not very much, especially if you're swing trading, which is the price can fall from the first zone a larger percentage than on the second zone. So you need to learn this, and it's very important. Trade less and actually will make more. Don't believe me? That's why I showed you the results in the first seconds of the video. Just to know that what I'm saying can actually make sense or not, but it's actually what works and it's what will make you money. Okay, the next point for me, what made a large change in my trading, which is switching to swing trading rather than day trading, which is very related to the first point. But it allowed me not to be glued to my screen, take a very bad decisions, because when you're looking at your screen every day, you feel the urge just to take a trade, just to be in the game, which is a very bad idea, to be honest. Your account will grow once you start treating your capital as your oxygen. Next point would be that the risk management is actually what's keeping your account alive today. Don't go all in one trade. As hard as you are convicted that this trade can function, don't go all in. One bad trade can wipe you out if you're going all in on it. Okay, increasing size is amazing and I do this, but I only increase size when edge comes to play. When I think, okay, this is not an A+ setup, this is an A+++ setup where I have experience with, where I know that, okay, there is a very high probability, more than 98% that this trade will function. Know your trading style. Master one trading strategy, not 10. See people doing crazy stuff, especially people on YouTube. Most traders keep failing because they are just switching every day. Okay, today I'm trading liquidity sweeps. Okay, next day I trade marker structure shift. I trade the breakout and retest. I trade the trend lines, which is crazy by the way. I trade ICT. I trade. Bro, just focus on one thing. Don't start switching up. The only reason I would think to switch up is just because this trading strategy doesn't have any edge or it's not working. But if you are sticking with something that's working and you see backtest results and you are just switching like crazy, not a good idea. You will just lose more than you win. Master one strategy, not 10. And you can actually make a lot of money with just one strategy. Last point would be journaling. Journaling is very important, especially when you're starting to know your strategy. When you're watching your results and you're thinking, okay, this strategy works or not. Let me journal. Journal is just you taking notes about your trades, entry, take profit, stop losses, and watching if this is an actually profitable strategy or not. And don't journal 100 trades. Don't journal 1,000 trades. Take an hour daily to put effort into this. Journaling means backtesting and forward testing. We just see that this strategy, okay, it's working in the past, and let's live test it on simulated money to see that it's working now before I start putting money into it. Or just put small amount just to know, just to have a feeling. Your trading journal will tell you what your ego is denying. Numbers don't lie. Often numbers are disappointing in life. We calculate things, okay, it's disappointing, but they don't lie. They show you the pure mathematic truth. So stick up to journaling. I'm starting to build a community here on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe. Many of the ideas that made me this 1000%, I just shared live here on YouTube. The point I just entered. I didn't ask for money or to do anything or to join anything. It was a free video on YouTube where I just share my points. I will put one video of them on the description just to see that I did this live. I showed these cases live here on YouTube with zero drawdown. I hope you liked the video. I hope you take notes. Get some notes and type everything I said here. Trust me, it will change your trading completely. Feel free to subscribe. As I said, I share my ideas here. And once we build a good community here, I will start sharing more and more ideas. I hope you have a good trading week. And as always, see you soon.